Hello traders, hello everyone. Today I will talk about the euro versus the US dollar, about its current range, about its swing higher, and about a new sell-off, a new selling opportunity. Because as you already know, the dollar index has turned to the upside, and the US dollar tries to dominate the currency market. Here is the risk disclaimer. Please read it. You can email support if you have questions. Please, if you want to join us, if you want to become a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video. You can use this link from here. You can type it manually, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So euro versus the US dollar in the short term is trapped between 1.0786 1.0641, and as you can see right now, in my opinion, it's risky to go short or long from here, because we don't have a clear direction, and in my opinion, only escaping from this pattern, from this range, could bring us new great opportunities. You can see here that the price of euro versus the US dollar increased, developed a strong leg higher, swing higher here, but you can see that it has reached resistance levels. Actually, it has failed to stay above 1.0757. It has dropped below the uptrend line. It has maybe tried to retest this broken uptrend line, but it has failed to hit it, to reach it, to retest it. It has found resistance again at 1.0757, and right now a sell-off, only because the dollar index rallied in the short term. So that's why personally I'm already long on the on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. So I'm long on the US dollar. So you can see here on the dollar index a strong rally. I've talked about the dollar index yesterday for the VIP members in that dollar index breakdown, and a strong upside movement here, gap up. In the short term, yeah, it has reached the weekly R1 102.83, and also the medium line of the descending pitchfork. So yeah, it has reached the resistance levels, actually a confluence area. So personally, I'm still holding my long position in US dollar versus the Swiss franc, despite a temporary drop here, temporary retreat. But a new higher high here, a valid breakout above the R1, above the medium line, could signal a larger growth. So that's why personally maybe I'm looking for potential shorts also here on the euro versus the US dollar, because if the dollar index resumes its growth, if the dollar index jumps higher, then maybe euro, or actually we have a stronger negative correlation between the dollar index and euro versus the US dollar. So if the dollar index jumps higher, the pair could drop. Right now, technically, it has found support here around 1.060678, and right now it has rebounded. And as I've said, if the dollar index will come back lower, and if it will drop a little to retest the immediate support levels, then maybe euro versus the US dollar could come back to retest maybe the pivot point, or the immediate resistance levels, upside obstacles. So as I've said, and as you already know from my previous webinar sessions analysis, I want maybe to sell this market and this pair only after euro versus the US dollar will make a new lower low, after making and registering a valid breakdown below 1.0641. Okay, so this is one of my selling scenarios here. Or if the price will come back higher again to retest, to register only false breakouts here above 1.0757, above 1.0786. Test retest, false breakouts here, false breakouts with great separation could signal a downside breakout, a breakdown, and a larger downside movement. So these are my scenarios here in the short term in euro versus the US dollar, my selling scenarios. And maybe this one could take shape soon if the dollar index resumes its growth. That upside breakout on the dollar index could force the euro versus US dollar to make a value breakdown here and to resume its sell-off, its downside movement, because this swing higher, leg higher, was only a temporary one before maybe coming back down and maybe resuming its major downtrend. Okay, so if I'll have confirmation, and when I'll have confirmation after a value breakdown here, because maybe I will not place a sell stop here, because it could still register only a false breakdown, yeah, test retest before coming back higher. So I'll wait for a value breakdown here before going short. Okay, thank you guys for watching this short video. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.